what you can do to pick up language skills also, and trust me, it's not late for anyone. Okay, let's start. I'm going to go stepwise. You will pay attention, right? First one is enact, practice, record, repeat. Okay, now what does this mean? Okay, enact का मतलब क्या है? भले आपको इंग्लिश आता है नहीं आता है, you have any problem with that language, no problem. Enact it. Enact मतलब क्या? Act like you're speaking some dialogue in English. Maybe plan for a topic on that day and speak for 2 minutes to yourself. No need to involve somebody else in it. You know why? Other people tend to judge. If you don't want any judgment initially, start with enacting it yourself. If you have your own room, go over there, decide a topic. Today I'm going to talk about maybe say Star Wars. Go to your room, talk for 2 minutes, record what you are talking. Practice पहले कि मैं क्या बोलने वाला हूँ. Don't blabber anything. Record it. Listen to your own voice and see how you sound. You will come to know how it sounds and whether you're going right or you're going wrong to some extent at least. Now, ये उनके लिए है who have a separate room in their house. जिनके पास वो space नहीं है, उनको क्या लगेगा? We might appear to be mad if we're talking to ourselves. You know what to do? Use your phone. Pretend like you're talking to somebody. Record what you are saying. 2 minutes का dialogue in English. Listen to it. And when you're listening, people are going to think कि आप music सुन रहे हो. But try doing this exercise daily for 2 minutes. Trust me, it is going to make a world of difference. Somebody asked me, can I speak in front of mirror? Audio lost.
Is the audio okay right now? Now okay, thank you sir. Okay, somebody asked me whether they can use a mirror. Okay, I would not recommend using a mirror initially, क्योंकि जब हम mirror use करते हैं, we focus on how we look, we don't focus on what we are talking. So I would say initially avoid that. Let's go to the next one quickly. Next thing is need to know. Okay, now need to know का मतलब क्या है? Next skill I'm giving you for learning the language. Okay, tell me one thing, how many of you all know the meaning of the word juxtaposition? Juxtaposition. If anybody knows, say on the chat. If you don't know, say no, don't know on the chat. Juxtaposition. Do you know the meaning of the word juxtaposition? Don't know, don't know. Thank you. I also don't know the meaning of the word juxtaposition. Did it affect my language in any way? No, right? So what I'm trying to say over here is, initially when you are getting hang of the language, do not bother to read difficult words from dictionary and all. Hota kya hai, when we try to go on reading new words from dictionary, we get all the more scared. Language se hame aur dar lagne lagta hai. So I would recommend for those who are beginning initially, start with learning functional words jo aapke liye useful hain. Okay, do not bother. We are not here to become Shakespeare. We are here to learn the language that we are going to use in daily life. Start with that. Okay, so the next thing is need to know. Next one, good for you. What is good for you? मतलब मुझे जो अच्छा लगता है, what feels good to me, वो वाला सीखो. Because what you don't enjoy doing, you will start initially and leave it. So what do you do when I say good for you over here? So people say कि newspaper पढ़ो. I'm sure even Regis sir says read Financial Times newspaper and so on. Great, it's actually a good thing. That is good for understanding. That is good for growing your finance-based information, which I'm not denying, and to some extent language also. However, if you're specifically focusing only on the language and not the content that you are doing, then in that case, I would recommend watch those things that really interest you, because they will remain with you. For example, you love watching movies. I won't say stop watching movies. Watch English movies. Watch them, but watch them with subtitle. Okay, हम यहाँ पे GK नहीं बढ़ा रहे हैं, हम बढ़ा रहे हैं language. Watch the movies with subtitle. कौन सी movies देखनी है? I would recommend, yes, watch them in English only and with subtitles written down, so you can, because they speak fast sometimes and you don't know वो क्या चल रहा है, तो आप वहाँ पढ़ भी सकते हैं. And when you do this, what I suggest is go for 7+ movies. अगर आप Netflix पे जाएंगे, you will see 7+ age के movies. Why I'm telling you 7+? When you go for movies which are 13+, 18+ and above, what happens is, no, I'm not talking about the family crowd and all. What happens when you go for these movies is the language starts becoming slang. Slang means wanna, gonna and all these things. हमें वो वाला English नहीं सीखना है. जो 7+ movies होती हैं, they usually use language which is nearest to the UK English. और हमें सीखना है basic English. We don't want to have American accent. So you will watch those things that feel good to you. Clear with this one? Next one. Listen to content. Okay, listen to things. You all heard of audiobooks? There are a lot of things such as Good Ideas, Good Life, and many of these channels जो बहुत सारे authors के books को they record them in audio format and you can listen to them when you are traveling or when you're sitting at home and not doing anything. Listen to that content. It really helps. I'll tell you how listening and watching is slightly better than reading. It is because when you listen and when you watch, you also understand how it is spoken and not just the words and the spellings, which is also equally important when you are trying to speak in English. Okay, up till here sounds good? Interesting also, not boring? This much is doable. I'm asking you to do only the things that you enjoy doing anyway. Great so far? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. The next one is idioms and phrases. Okay, now don't worry, I'm not talking about grammar. Okay, so don't worry about that. When I say idioms and phrases, मैं क्या बोलना चाहती हूँ, I'll tell you. I have noticed this in students. Okay, if I asked a student that day once in the lecture, why are you late? You know what he told me? My bus got missed. My bus got missed. क्यों ऐसा हुआ? Is this right English? No, right? But ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Why did it happen? I'll tell you two things. In our mind, you know what we do? We remember the keywords. Keyword क्या है? बस था जो मिस हो गया. हम नहीं सोचते कि उनको कनेक्ट करने वाले वर्ड्स क्या हैं. So over a period of time, we don't know how to connect them and we use wrong tenses and etc. So when I say idioms and phrases, what I'm saying is focus on connecting the words. इसका मतलब क्या? I'll give you one more example. At our home, whenever mom asks, did you have food? खाना खाया क्या? What do you say? हाँ, खाना खाया. Correct? When we say khana khaya, what do we say? We just say food and we ate. Two things. Do we ever say the complete sentence? We are not used to in regular life. The same thing is applied when we are speaking English also. We are used to only combining words but not make a sentence. ये चल जाएगा informal condition में, लेकिन जब आप join करोगे workplace पे, this will not work. It will sound like something is missing in your communication. So now what you will do is at home or wherever you are talking, learn to speak a complete sentence. Trust me, it will help you in the long run. Initially, people will make fun of you, but it will work for you. So this is what I mean to say when I say idioms and phrases. Okay. The next one is softwares. Now, what do I mean by softwares? Okay. अब सब कहते हैं we have become slaves to technology and all that. My suggestion to you is if we are anyway dependent on technology, might as well make good use of it. For example, there are some softwares which can help you develop language. We all play games on the phone. Yes, as anyone does not play games, even if you don't, I'm sure there must be some other app which you use. So we all use some of the other apps on the phone. Correct? Yes. Yes. Similarly, there are so many applications which are there for improving your language. They are in the Playway method apps they have. So for example, I'll give you some names also. There is an app called Duolingo. Duolingo. There's an app called Fluent U. ये apps क्या करते हैं? They have a language conversion system wherein they have 20-25 languages. उसमें आप content डालोगे, it can convert it into English and tell you. Again, there are some games also which gives you points when you play them. So my suggestion to you is, if you're anyway going to invest time in playing games, why not spend 10 minutes playing these kind of games? It will make a difference to you. You'll get a score in the end. You'll know where you stand. Okay, so will you try this out? Yes, Duolingo and Fluent U. Yes, Fluent U with a U, capital U, not Y-O-U. I'll share the content with you later again, so don't worry about that. And last one is hide your fear. Okay, now you're wondering what is she talking, right? Now the first points which I covered, no, they were practical points. क्या करना चाहिए? The last point is a psychological point, because the ones who have difficulty in language, na, it first works on your mind. So what would I suggest is, when you're talking to anybody in English, okay, or any language जिसमें आप comfortable नहीं हो. For example, there are languages जिसमें मैं comfortable नहीं हूँ. Then when I'm talking in that particular language, what do? I don't make my fear evident on my face. What happens is, जब आप अपने fear को clearly बताते हो अपने face पे, अपने behavior से, सामने वाला person आपको और judge करता है. वो और judge करते हैं, they appear to be all the more stringent to you. When they appear like that, आप और डरने लगते हैं. That cycle goes on, and one fine day you will decide to not learn the language. To avoid this, you will follow these steps right now. Can you all try this for, let's see, can you all try this for 15 minutes in a day? 1, 5, 15 every day, like a homework. जिनका language अच्छा है, even those people, because there is no end to how many languages, how many words, how many things you can learn in terms of English. It's never ending. There are new words added every day in the dictionary. Yes, thank you so much. Do you observe a trend? Do you observe a pattern in this slide which I've shown you? Do you observe something in this slide? Quickly tell me who observed.